Guys, XRP is heating up, and this time it actually feels different. Now, the bears were terrorizing the market the past couple of weeks, right? But the bulls just flipped to 250 like it was nothing. 268 right now is under pressure, and let me tell you, I actually think it's going to get bigger.
It's only gonna get bigger.
And don't forget, the Federal Reserve is set to make a decision on interest rates this October 29th. So today, something big could happen. And that could be a real spark that sends the entire market flying or crashing. Just depends on what they say. Now, stick around and I'll break it all down for you. While you're here, smash that like button if you're bullish on XRP and drop your short term price targets in the comments.
You know, Bitcoin makes its move in 10 days a year. So are Bitcoin's best days in the fourth quarter? Probably. We have catalysts, the Fed's easing. We have a shutdown that's been risk off. We have China-US tensions.
Now, XRP did make a strong move after bouncing at the $2.32 mark. It broke above the 238 and 245, which were really key price points. Then it pushed all the way up to 270, right? 270. Right now, we are facing consolidation in that 270. We're facing resistance at around the 257 mark. That's where I had the drop yesterday. And this morning, we're already up, opening up some scalp trades here, up about 1% just from a simple move, thanks to XRP's recent consolidation. I love these bounces. I love when the market's moving this slow because it opens up so many doors for scalping, right? I'm not as worried about the market moving too quickly. And it doesn't necessarily mean that I have to have bigger stop losses. I can have tighter stop losses when the market is less volatile because then I have more probability to make more money. And how I'm doing this, you guys, is I am trading on BTCC. The reason is it's the world's longest running cryptocurrency exchange. And right now, they're still giving us 10K deposit bonus when you use the link below. So if you're looking for a place that's trusted and has been doing it for 14 plus years, BTCC literally has all the features you need. They just released their pro version, which allows you to use isolated leverage. So please do that if you're not comfortable with trading much and you just want to get into it. I do use cross leverage. I'm a little crazy, but I like it. And it allows me to really understand my strategy and I track all my trades. That's what makes it so easy for me not to lose consistently because I'm constantly journaling and going back and looking through them. But let's get into XRP. So if XRP keeps moving up, it's going to face trouble above the 280, 290 mark. We have some resistance up there, but if it breaks any of these levels, it might load to about $2.90, right? $3. And I think that it's a psychological level for XRP. It's kind of like Bitcoin hitting and beating 100K. XRP thinks the exact same way, right? We holders want to see those even numbers occur. So $3 and above, articles will probably come out, more hype. So that's really, really important. But right now, the key level to watch is that 268 because that's that resistance. That's that ceiling that we haven't been able to beat. So as long as we do that soon, hopefully, we will get back up to 275, 290, and continue. Now, if it cannot break this 268, I think we might get a really big pullback. Now, we got a little one yesterday to today. We dropped about 4% in about an hour. It was a great scalp I got last night. If you are still scalping and day trading, definitely check my trading channel. I'm always going to put those on there. Every time I'm trading, I'm recording it. Doesn't matter my losses, my wins. You guys will watch it all with me. You get to enjoy the journey. We're here. We're going to always focus on the news and try to understand the fundamentals, which actually help me determine my day bias. And I only flip that bias once I see news that actually matches what the chart is saying. So it's just kind of a smart way to really look at both sides of the coin and try to get the best narrative and always try to raise my hit rate, right? I really want to hit 90% wins, 10% losses, but that's not always the case right now. I'm evening at around 60%, which is still good, but I would love to get to 80 or 90%. So that's really, really my plan and my goal from all these channels and my focusing right now. If we dip past the 250 that we tried to hit this morning, we'll probably get back down to 242 because that looks like its next major support level. Now, if it can sit in that zone, it might be the pullback that we need. But just remember, you guys, these are normal pullbacks. So don't panic. Don't ever sell your long-term bags. Not financial advice, but I definitely am a long-term holder of XRP, Solana, Ethereum. Not as much as Ethereum because it chart looks terrible, but XRP doesn't, Solana's doesn't, Bitcoin's doesn't. So I try to use those to my advantage. Now, lastly, don't forget if you are wanting to day trade and want a deposit bonus, the BTCC link is below. And before you go, you guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe so you don't miss out on what I've got coming next. We're going to find such a smart way to do fundamental news. I've got some dashboards, some friends are building that I'm excited to show you guys that make trading a lot easier. And then let me know in the comments which altcoins are on your radar right now. Okay? Until next time, you guys, keep it simple, keep it smart,